Hello.
Oh, what are you doing here, Kat?
I am getting the last fish sauce.
Oh, I want the last fish
Laura,
sauce.
what are you making?
Well, I want to make Banh Xeo.
I am too.
Are you serious?
Let's do it together.
I love this.
Oh, let's go.
I think you can teach me a thing or two about Banh
Or
Xeo,
you
Karen.
me.
Yes.
So excited we got the last bottle.
I know, I cannot believe the luck. Today on My Market Kitchen, I have a very special guest. I've got Karen. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Laura.
And she is going to teach me how to make the best version of my favourite dish from Vietnam, Banh Xeo.
Banh Xeo. Do you know what Banh Xeo means?
I don't.
Well, it's two words were translated from Vietnamese.
Okay.
It's banh is like a cake,
Yep.
and xeo literally means sizzle. So it's a sizzling cake.
And like we talk about cake, but it's a crispy, like a crispy
pancake,
pancake.
yeah.
So it's almost like a really thin crepe, and it's super, super crunchy when you bite into it.
Yes, with the right technique.
Oh,
So we're gonna get the right technique today.
I cannot wait to make this.
Let's get started.
Love it. All right, what is the first thing you'd like to get onto?
Well, let's do the batter, because
Beautiful.
that lets us sit for at least half an hour, but
Okay.
for today's show, 10 minutes will do. So to get the batter crisp, we use a rice flour. Traditionally, you would use egg yolks to get the
Okay.
yellow color,
Yep.
but we're not using eggs because that removes the crispiness of
I was
the
going to
batter.
say it would make the batter a lot thicker.
Yeah, it's soft.
Soft and soggy.
Not as crispy.
Okay, I like this.
So we're just going to do water
Beautiful.
and rice flour and a bit of
Beautiful.
turmeric for coloring.
Lovely.
And we're going to add some water and coconut milk. So we do
Coconut
the
milk.
coconut milk first,
Okay.
and the water to get the right consistency.
Beautiful.
And I'm just going to
Okay.
use maybe a third of a can.
And so I feel like with any pancake or crepe or any batter, you're looking for like, it has to be a perfect consistency to get it really crispy. Not too thick, not too thin, because it also has to hold the weight of what we're filling it with.
Yes, exactly. And
Yeah.
and I think I don't know. It's one of those things where you read a recipe and it doesn't
Yeah.
really turn out. But the best way to gauge it is
Yeah.
whether it coats the back of a spoon.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you do
nice.
that as well?
I did not know that tip. Folks.
This is quite a thin one, so
I'll
it
get you a
doesn't
spoon.
actually coat because we're going to get it really, really thin.
Yes.
So it'll sit for a bit
And
get
it will thicken up.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So we can set that aside for
Yeah,
about
we'll set it aside.
half an hour,
About
10
that.
minutes.
10 minutes.
Oh, beautiful.
So let's, shall we get started with the sauce that goes with
Yes.
it?
Now this is my favorite dressing of all time. I just find it's got all the right things. It's spicy, it's salty, it's got a nice like hit of acidity. I find that Vietnamese food is so well balanced.
I'm going to give you a different tip.
Oh really?
This sauce
Yep.
in a gin and tonic.
Stop it.
No.
Are you serious?
I am very serious.
Oh my
I've
God,
done it
yes.
once and I thought, oh,
I guess it would kind of be like a dirty martini, but like a spicy, because you got like salty, gin,
sour.
sour, chili.
Yep.
Look
Yeah.
at you, Karen. All the tips.
All the tips. Let's get started.
All right, you tell me.
In a bowl,
Yep.
let's put in some garlic and chili first.
I'll do all the chopping for you. So you were
Okay.
saying before, thin slices of garlic. So if people don't like the raw garlic,
Yeah.
they can pull it out.
So my kids don't like to bite into garlic, but we love the garlic flavor in the sauce, so it gets to infuse it.
Yeah.
When I'm lazy, I just crush the garlic, chuck it in, and that's good enough.
One chili?
Please, thank you.
Beautiful. So you can really adjust the spice to how much spice you want.
Yes, and you can use a green chili. It doesn't really matter whether it's a green or red. So this is the ratio which you won't forget it. It's 1-1-1, equal parts of lemon juice, sugar, and fish sauce. Because we're doing the gin and tonic after this,
Yeah,
let's do
true.
3.
Yeah, love it.
2,
It's like dinner and a
3.
show.
I know.
Now lemon juice, lime juice, is there a difference?
It depends on what's on sale.
Okay,
Yeah.
I like this.
We had 3, so we'll do 3 again. So
Beautiful.
1.
Oh, I can smell the spice of this chili.
2.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be hot. 3.
Beautiful.
So that's the thing. It's so easy to remember. It's 1-1-1.
1-1-1.
Just to water it down, so it's not
Yep.
so pungent.
Intense,
Intense. Yeah.
Beautiful.
So we kind of look at it here, and we kind of fill it to maybe this line,
Okay.
and then let's
So almost
see.
like doubling the volume.
Yeah, almost like that.
Beautiful.
And you can't really go wrong because if it's too much water, you just add more ingredients.
All right, I'm gonna get on to chopping the spring onions. I've got onions here to chop, prawns, pork, and I think it's time to probably start cooking the pancake. So what is your number one tip for this pancake?
A really hot pan.
Beautiful.
So I've already started it here.
Yep.
And as we're cooking it, the pan will just increasingly get hotter, and that's what we want for the cake. So we've got it heated up. I'm just
pan.
going to throw it hot pan.
Beautiful.
No oil. You don't need oil at this stage.
Beautiful.
We just throw in the pork belly strips. The
Go
oil will
for it,
come
yeah.
out, and that's
Yep.
enough.
Beautiful.
immediately sizzles.
Yep.
And that's the xeo in the Banh Xeo.
Banh Xeo. And it's creating those beautiful little holes, so you can see it's going to get really, really crispy to start with.
Yeah. So immediately it creates those holes and swirl it immediately.
So almost like when you're making like a omelette or something, you're moving the batter around really, really quickly.
Yeah, and it's a really hot pan.
Wow.
So that will be left. No oil at the stage.
Yep.
So when it lifts from the pan, that's when we put the oil in.
Beautiful.
So the oil will seep to the bottom.
Yep.
And it almost deep fries the pancake.
Oh my gosh.
Creating that crisp.
You are saying all the right words to me right now,
Deep
Karen.
fried pork.
Prawns.
Prawns.
All the
we should add the prawns in actually.
Beautiful. Now we've just butterflied these prawns open into a V.
Wonderful.
Is that right?
Yeah, and I'll bring the pan over to you.
So you just want me to lay them down on one side or the whole side?
Oh, actually, just one side.
Just one side? Do you want two?
Two.
So now we're just going to leave that until it goes really, really crispy. Add that oil around the edges. And then do I get to eat it?
You get to eat it.
Yes! So this is a very interactive meal. So get your friends over, make a lot of these, have a big plate of salad, all the herbs, because that's what Vietnamese is. It's very fresh, it's very fun, very interactive.
So make this at home. It's really simple. It's just rice flour. It's gluten-free too.
Beautiful.
Put as much or as little ingredients as you like, whatever ingredients you like, and have it with a fish sauce, dipping sauce, and let's have some now.
But there's no nice way of doing this, is there? No.
No. And the bigger your piece is, the bigger your mouthful is, because you can't really bite it. You just got to chuck it all in the mouth.
This is so exciting. This looks incredible. This fish sauce dressing just brings it all together. The crispy pancake, the prawns are perfectly cooked. Make sure you use that technique at home. Add them in at the last seconds. They just cook through. All the herbs.
And the coconut flavor in that batter.
Karen, this is truly the best Banh Xeo
Thanks,
ever.
Laura.